what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another haul from Luckyfine. They sent me 2 new bags and I wanted to share you the information and about them with you guys. So if you like these kind of videos and you're new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe. My name is Kristen. I do hauls. I do a lot of Stitch Fix hauls, and I do Trunk Club, Amazon Prime Wardrobe, and I do other unboxings from other companies that send me things. So that's what my channel is about. If you guys would like to see anything else, please let me know. If you like this top, it's from Madison and Mallory. I will link their shop down below. And I also am going to do a haul from them. I have had many requests to do that with the different items that I have purchased from them. So thank you for subscribing. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and just keep on watching. Okay, so with Luckyfine, you get, they had sent me these 2 bags, and they had sent me a code, so let me just bring that up. It is 20 off backpack. If you use that in your checkout, you get 20% off. So that's super exciting. So the first item we're gonna start with is this ladies large canvas bag. It is $29.99. It is super cute. It has this little thing here, this little fluff and some bells, and there's a little teddy bear, and this is also detachable. So I am going to take this off. It is canvas. I will link this item and their website down below. Like I said, use 20 off backpack and you can get 20% off. It is adorable, super cute, and look at it. So we're gonna look through it. So it looks like it has a button here or a clip where you can clip this and unclip this, and it is a canvas bag. So this is super cute. At the top here, it has a zipper, and inside it has this huge bag. This would be great to like go to an amusement park, or if you're going shopping, you could just throw everything in here. Also use it maybe for like a little diaper bag or something where you can keep items in. And also there are some zippers on the sides, one here, and it's really deep pockets, which I think is super amazing. And for $29.99 and 20% off, that is amazing deal. So the next one, we have another zipper on this side, and it's the same depth, which I think is super awesome. This is great quality. There is a zipper on the back as well, so you can see that. And it has canvas straps here, and the whole thing is canvas. So I'm gonna try this on for you guys. This one I have here is a gray color with like a brown strap. So if you like these, it's definitely worth it for $29.99 and 20% off. So I'm gonna try this on for you guys. Okay, so I have the backpack on. I love these straps. Look how adorable this is. It actually goes really cute with this top. And look how cute it is. It is super comfortable. I like the wider straps. And look how nice it is. I love it. It is so comfortable. You can definitely maybe use this. I don't know if it would fit a computer, maybe like an iPad in here, or anything like that. But it is adorable. You can wear it off one shoulder. And look how nice that is. It's super great quality, and I love the colors. It's great for fall and winter, and look how nice this is. I absolutely love it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys and talk about the other bag that they had sent me over, and like I said, use that code 20 off backpack and you can get this for a great deal. Okay, next we have here is the women's fashion leather backpack. This is amazing. Look at the quality and depth on this. Love the sparkle. This is amazing. Very nice. So I left on some of the things to hold the backpack. So this is another backpack. So here are the straps. Like I said, this is leather. It looks like there is a opening in the back, so you could put maybe your cell phone if you don't feel comfortable having it in the front, so you could throw that in there, or your wallet, which I think is absolutely amazing. And then we have here is an opening on the side, which is super cute as well. You could throw something in there, maybe like glasses or like eye drops or gum or your cell phone as well. You can throw it in the side. That's easy access, which I think is amazing. Then we have here is the top. So what you do, all you do, let me let me do it again. So what all you do is to undo it is to hit this button and it comes undone, which is adorable. I love the sparkle on this. Look how amazing that is. I love the texture and the leather on this. It is very, very, very good quality. So there is a zipper at the top, and then inside, what we have here is some amazing, look how much, look how much space you have in this. It's super cute. I love it. There is a, looks like a zipper in here as well, and some compartments where you can stick your cell phone, which I think is amazing as well. And this one here is originally $49.99, and I will have that link below. And it's on sale for $41.99, and then you get additional 20% off, which is 20 off backpack, and you can get 20% off. Use that code. It's amazing. You will not be disappointed. The quality here is amazing. I'm gonna actually put this back together and clip this back together and show you guys what it looks like on. This is a great, like, very good quality lock right here as well. So I'm super excited to try this on. It has a handle, and I will come right back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try the backpack on and see how adorable this is. This again has the wider straps, and they're adjustable, which I absolutely love. And here it is. Look how cute this is. I'm trying to make sure I'm in the frame so you guys can see. I do love this. It's very comfortable and cozy as well. And it feels great on. Look how cute that is. I love the sparkle. It is so amazing. And this would be great for work or travel as well. You can fit like a small iPad in this one as well. And I do love this. The quality on this is amazing. And the sparkle adds an extra flair, which I love. And if you're out there, girls, and you love sparkle, this is definitely the backpack for you. You also can use this as well is for like a little diaper bag or just travel, or if you want to bring this and your kids have their toys to put in there. This is amazing as well, and I love this. So I'm gonna come back and give you guys some more information on the products. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is link all the information down below on these two bags. Click on them and make sure you use that 20 off backpack code that I had given you guys. These are amazing bags. I highly recommend these items. I love Luckyfine. They are high quality backpacks, purses. They have other items as well, but I absolutely love these bags. This one's a leather bag and this one is canvas. And click on my links below and get them and try them out. Thank you so much, Luckyfine, for sponsoring this video and sending me these items. I absolutely love your guys' products. And if you like these kind of videos, give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.